Deleting a thank you page on GetResponse is simple, but you might be wondering why you'd want to do it in the first place. Whether you've created a landing page and no longer need that thank you page, or you're just cleaning up your account, I'll walk you through the steps quickly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to delete that page without any confusion or extra clicks. First thing, let's start by logging into your GetResponse account. You'll want to make sure you're in the right account where the thank you page is located. Once you're in, head over to the Landing Pages section from your dashboard. This is where all your created pages, including thank you pages, are listed. Next thing, after you've clicked on Landing Pages, look for the page you want to delete. It's important to know that GetResponse lets you create different types of landing pages, so make sure you've selected the one associated with your thank you page. Now, once you find it, you'll see options like Edit and Delete. Click on Delete. Now, a warning will pop up asking if you're sure about deleting the page. Be careful, because once you confirm, it's gone for good. There's no undo for this step, so double check that this is the page you want to remove. If you're sure, click Yes, delete it. The fourth thing to know is that if your page is linked to an autoresponder, email sequence, or some other automation, it's crucial to unlink or disable those connections before deleting the page. You don't want any broken links or dead ends in your funnel. Lastly, if you're finding that GetResponse isn't offering the flexibility or ease of use you need, there are some great alternatives out there. I'll share more about that in just a second, so keep watching. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that if you used GetResponse and found that deleting a thank you page wasn't as intuitive as you'd hoped, there are better options available. We've teamed up with a platform that not only makes the process even easier, but also gives you an extended free trial when you sign up through our link. Plus, we've handpicked some other fantastic tools that are perfect for achieving the goal you had in mind for your thank you page. All of these alternatives come with their own free trial, and through our link, you'll get the best deal, exclusive benefits, and some really nice bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. So if you're looking for better options, click the link in the description below for the exclusive free trials and bonuses.